Hi, I'm Alex from Inelco Grinders. I want to talk to you about how precision and consistency in the grinding of an electrode can give you a better weld quality. Knowing that your tungsten is consistently ground the way you need it, it gives you peace of mind so you can focus on other aspects of the weld. Your travel speed, your wire feeding, the stability of the arc. So in order to improve your weld quality and obtain consistency in your grinding of the electrode, make sure to choose a dedicated tungsten grinder that assures you the right quality grind of your tungsten, and avoid the uncertainty of using a belt grinder, bench grinder, or an angle grinder. You will never get the exact same angle or tip on your tungsten electrode. I'll show you how to obtain this precise consistency on one of our machines, the Ultima-TIG. The tip angle is not the same as the grinding angle. The grinding angle is always half of the tip angle. So to obtain an angle of 30 degrees, we put it on 15 degrees in the grinding angle. The angle is set, so now we will always have the same angle whenever we grind our tungsten. So, in order to obtain a consistent grinding of your tungsten electrode and improve your weld quality, choose a dedicated tungsten grinder and avoid using a belt grinder, bench grinder, or an angle grinder. They're not for tungsten grinding. Take it easy, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.